Hello everyone, welcome. The reason why the pita color is purple is due to the flour to be used. This is a healthy purple flour with additives. Bread was previously made with this flour, purple simit, purple cake or purple baklava. I bought a 500-gram package of purple flour for experimentation and made a pita. This flour does not look purple as in the pictures, but when water is added, its color will reveal. 300 grams of purple flour, 1.5 glasses of cold water, 5 grams of fresh yeast, 5 grams of salt, 5 grams of sugar, egg yolk to rub on, cornflour, sesame and black seed. Add flour on the counter. Open the middle of the flour and add cold water. First add sugar and mix. As you can see, a purple color started to form. The reason for the color here is not food coloring, but a mixture of healthy purple foods. Normally 1 glass of water to be used, but this flour took more water. 1.5 glasses of water was added. It will be a dough that sticks to soft hands, and after kneading with a hit, stretch and fold technique, the dough will have an elastic texture. Add salt and continue to knead. Add fresh yeast and roll up the dough after kneading. Cover the dough and wait 20 minutes. Roll the dough again after 20 minutes. Add corn flour to the bottom. Cover the dough and wait for 1 hour, depending on the ambient temperature. The waiting time may be more than 1 hour. To prevent the egg yolk from burning in the oven, add a few drops of water to the plate. Add the egg yolk. Add egg yolk on the dough and press it with your hand to shape it. Form the lines of the pita by pressing with your fingertips. add black seed and sesame seeds. You need to remove the pita from the counter and place it on the baking tray. A pizza paddle was used for this, but with help you can add it directly to the tray. Tug a little around the pita and expand. The purple pita is cooked in the oven at 250 degrees for 8 minutes. A pita that looks very crispy and has a different color inside was made. Purple flour, black grape, raspberry, eggplant, purple onion are used, and it is emphasized that it is extra healthy. If you ask about its taste, it does not have a very different taste, like normal pita. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.